press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Daily.
Hi everyone, I hope you guys are safe. I hope you're doing well, and I am back with your zodiac messages of the month. I'm Devina from The Light Within, just in case you guys didn't know. And I have pulled out some exciting cards for you for the next coming weeks. Before we start, I would like to tell you to not take these too seriously. These messages are in fun, and whatever resonates with you, you can pick up on those messages. So what I have done is I have pulled out a life purpose. A lot of people don't know what they're meant to do. What is their life purpose? So I have pulled out a life purpose card for a group of zodiacs, which is, for water or for earth or for fire signs. And I've also added an affirmation for you guys this month from a beautiful deck. So let's get started. The fire sign is a very intense sign. It's fiery, it's passionate, it's dynamic, temperamental. People who are under the fire sign are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. These people are very affectionate, very loving, they keep you warm, but they also have an element of surprise and they can react in different ways in certain circumstances. So I'm going to go ahead and share the reading for the fire signs. So what is your life purpose? What is it that you are inclined towards or what you're meant to do? Let's see what the cards say. So what the message for you is leadership. So what this means is that you are meant to be a leader. You are meant to lead a team. You're meant to delegate work to somebody else. So wherever you're working, or if you're planning to start something of your own, this would be a great opportunity. You will be somebody who will find it difficult to work under somebody else in the future. So if there is an opportunity for you to be your own boss, or if there's an opportunity for you to do freelance work or anything where you are the boss of the content that you create, this is your card, leadership, fire signs. And the affirmation for you is this beautiful card by Gabby Bernstein's deck. Okay, these are the affirmation cards. Happiness is my birthright. So this is your affirmation. Happiness is your birthright, and keep saying this every single day. So moving on to the other sign, which is the air sign. The air sign is more fluid, it's more like a breath of fresh air. These people are, true friends. They're good friends. They are someone who brings a breath of fresh air to you, and they will just drop out of nowhere, whenever you need them. So the air signs include Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. These are good friends and loyal people to have in your life. And the messages for you guys is creativity, writing. Now, if any of you have the ability to be creative, to create something of your own, it can be a blog, it can be an article, it can be any content of your own that comes from your mind. This is what you're meant to do, is some sort of creative expression. So this is for the air signs. Writing, blogging, anything in the creative sphere will be good for you. And your affirmation is, I surrender to a power greater than me. These are Gabby Bernstein's cards. They're beautiful. I absolutely love them. And this is your message. Just surrender to a higher power who knows best for you. All right? So moving on to the earth signs. All right? Earth is very grounding. Okay? Grounded people are ones who bring us down to earth. They remind us of what is important. They're very solid people. They're also some of them are very stubborn. They hold their ground. So the signs for this are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. All right? They have a mind of their own. They know what they want, and they're extremely grounded. So for you guys, here is your life purpose. Studying further, learning something new, doing a course, studying something further. This is your calling for the next few months, maybe, or for the month of June. Try and pick up a new skill, a new course, something that you'll enjoy and something that you can do on your own. So again, it's building something for yourself from scratch. So doing a course, studying, this is your message for earth signs, and your affirmation is, I am learning the energy of the universe. What a beautiful card. All right, this just means that you are in the flow with the universe, you are in the flow with the energy, and the universe is constantly communicating with you So just keep saying, I'm in the energy of the universe, all right? And you will be one with the universe. And last but not the least are the water signs. Water signs are extra sensitive, emotional, they can be mysterious as well. And the signs that fall under this are Cancerian, Scorpio, and Pisces. And the messages that I have for you today is something to do in the health space. So if you guys are health freaks, some of you, if you want to get into nutrition, if you want to get into yoga, this would be a great opportunity for you. So this is something that you may be inclined towards, or what you're meant to do is nutrition, yoga, wellness, health, anything in that sphere is something that you can look into and you will be really good at it. All right, and your affirmation is energy flows where my intention goes. Again, beautiful cards. So wherever you put your energy, that is what you're going to manifest. So it's important for you to think positive and put a positive intention out there, and energy will flow with whatever intention that you have. So I hope these messages are clear, and I hope you guys enjoyed these as much as I did. So do leave any comments or questions below, and please like, subscribe and share to PopXO Daily. I will see you soon.